This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. In today's video, we are going to analyze gold US dollar currency pairs price action. Before that, we'll look at the economic calendar for today and also the price action in DXY. Then we'll proceed with our daily analysis. Today is Friday, May 6th, and when we look at the economic calendar for today, at 7 AM we have high impacting news on Australian dollar. Otherwise, we have low impacting news coming up on Euro, Swiss francs and British pound related currency pairs. Then at 6 PM we have high impacting news on Canadian dollar and also high impacting news on US dollar currency pairs. Then at 6:45 PM we have low impacting news coming up on US dollar. Then at 7:30 PM we have medium impacting news coming up on Canadian dollar. So today we have low impacting news and high impacting news coming up on major currency pairs. Please plan your trade entry and exits based on this economic calendar. Let us look at DXY. So when we look at the dollar index, previously we had noticed that it has tested the same level of 103, then went on a bearish trend reversal and again took support at the level of 102, then bounced back. And again it has broken this support level and went little lower, but it couldn't break this support level of 102.440. And again it bounced back on a bullish trend and retested the same level where it tested earlier also. So overall, when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it is on a sideways. It is trying to break on the higher side and it is trying to go on a lower side, but it couldn't make the directional momentum. It is on a sideways. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is still trading above the trend line or support line. As long as the price action is trading above this trend line, it is still in a bullish trend, but the bullishness is not enough to break the previous resistance level of 103. Let us start our gold analysis. I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, we already know that the price action had taken support on this trend line or support line and it was on a bullish trend, and currently also it is trading above this support line, which means that current trend is still in a bullish trend. Previously the price action went on a bullish trend. From here it fell on a bearish trend reversal and it was trading on a range or sideways. Then it tried to go on a bullish side and it couldn't break the resistance level of 1995. Then it went on a bearish trend reversal. So it had a sideways market, then again bearish trend reversal. So currently also, when we notice the price action, it is again trying to replicate the same price action which it had done earlier. It is trying to form a sideways market around this support and resistance level of 1920 to 1870. We know that this whole area is a very strong support because in the past this level had acted as a very strong resistance level, and also we have the trend line or support line from the daily time frame. So the price action has to break this very strong support zone and the trend line in order to go on a bearish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I am drawing a box over here. Currently the price action is trading on a sideways within this resistance and support levels. It has not made new highs or it has not made new lows. It is on a sideways in hourly time frame. And when we look at the price action, previously it has traded on a sideways, then went on a bullish side and steeply fell on a bearish trend reversal, and it couldn't break the support zone between 1871 to 1840, and currently it is still trying to form a similar price action which it had formed earlier. And when we closely look at the price action over here, the price action was in a very nice downtrend. It tried to break this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern. It couldn't succeed to break this level and fell on a bearish trend reversal. Again it has broken this resistance line from the bearish channel pattern, but again this level of 1920 had acted as a very strong resistance level and it fell on a bearish trend reversal. So overall, when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, although the price action has broken this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern and went on a bullish trend, we can clearly notice that the bullishness has become weaker because it couldn't manage to break the previous high of 1920. And currently it is in a process of retesting on this trend line where it took support previously, and if the bearishness is still weaker, we can expect it to trend down on the bearish side. Only when the price action breaks the support level of 1840, it will be a bearish trend reversal. Otherwise, we can expect the sideways market to continue in hourly time frame, because we are noticing a weaker bullishness and bearishness also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. We are noticing a consolidation happening over here. So wait for the price action to take support on this trend line and to bounce back on the bullish side, based on which you can take a bullish side trades. And if the price action break this support level of 1871, we can take trades on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. Here I have drawn one more trend line or support line for 30 minutes time frame. We can notice a consolidation starting over here, and we had noticed similar consolidation in the past also. So wait for the price action to bounce back or to break this support level in order to take a directional trades. Currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame is in a bullish trend because it is still trading above this support line. And we can notice that whenever it bounces back on the bullish side, the higher side ranges are becoming higher and higher. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame, we can clearly notice that the price action was trading within a support and resistance level, and it was forming into a triangle pattern. And currently the price action has bounced back from the 30 minutes time frame trend line or support line, and wait for the price action to break this resistance line to decide on a bullish side trades. Only when the price action breaks the higher time frame support level of 1870, it will be a bearish side trades. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels. Here on the bottom we have the higher time frame support level of 1870. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and subscribe to my channel.